The aroma of coconut is known worldwide, as coconut is used in a wide assortment of foods and beverages. While this is not found in conventional beers, it is commonly a flavor derived from aging beer in wooden barrels used for bourbon maturation. Bourbon can exhibit strong coconut characteristics, including aromas of toasted coconut, attributable to the wood on which it is aged. These aromas are generally associated with oak lactones in the wood, which are also called whiskey lactones. Aging beer in barrels used for bourbon production will allow this aroma to transfer into the beer, originating from both the wooden interior barrel surface and from any whiskey left over in the barrel at the time it was filled with beer. Coconut aroma can also be added directly as coconut flavorings. For contributions from wood barrel maturation, the barrel should be selected to exhibit the desired level of coconut while retaining the other desired levels of flavor contributions. Brewers can choose to use coconut as an additive, with control factors being the type of coconut, such as flaked, shredded, or chopped, the intensity of aroma of the product, the amount of the addition, and the duration of exposure to the coconut.